Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch, brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Tuesday the 22nd of January. So without further ado, if I could draw your attention to our risk warning currently up on screen. So please do take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with our risk warning. Okay, so without further ado then, let me explain what we shall do. We'll go straight into the charts and we'll discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. So without further ado, let's get up our trading platform. And we spoke about, in the title for this particular recording, looking at yellow gold and also black gold, and just referring to obviously the gold market and also specifically the US crude oil market as well. So starting with the gold market, we can see what's happened here. So this market has really bounced off the 1180 level, created a bit of a floor, and we've started to see prices creep higher, and we've maxed out very close to the $1,300 level for an ounce of troy ounce of gold. But what we've seen over the last couple of weeks is actually a lot of consolidation with a slightly higher elevation. You know, these higher lows as this market is creeping higher before we had the explosive move further to the downside. And yesterday's market, we saw the attempt to break the 1276.47, and we've seen that level fail. So tomorrow, if we get some continuation from these current prices and we break the 1276.47 level, this would represent a structural failure to the downside, likely to get a few more sellers coming in, pushing prices lower, and as a result could give us some great opportunities, potentially down to the 1250 level. So hopefully a really good opportunity there in the gold market. And also looking at the US crude oil market, we can see this weekly and monthly high just sitting in here, the 54.44. And now that's quite an important level. You can see it's this level of resistance going back to early December. And also again, it's the low of the 13th of November as well. So this would represent a structural failure, and we might start seeing some strong moves to the upside above the 54.44 level. So a couple of really interesting levels to look out for in the gold market and also in the US crude oil market as well. Okay, so that just about concludes then today's Daily Trade Watch video. So if you'd like to connect with us, please feel free to do so. Do go to YouTube and just search for the Live Trade Room, all one word, and you'll be able to join us there and be notified on any videos that we post, and also through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And the details are all there up on screen. So all that's left for me to do now is to thank you as always for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. From everyone here at the Live Trade Room, take care and bye for now.